Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, an Amazon activewear fashion haul. So I picked up some workout style or activewear clothing pieces that I think are perfect to either wear to the gym or if you want to take like a nice morning walk. These pieces are so versatile. You can even use them to go to the beach or to the park. Really great quality. They're very comfortable. So all these pieces I got from the store name IUGA, I think that's how you say it. It is sold on Amazon and it is an activewear line. With that being said, all these pieces were sent to me. Big thank you to them for sending all these pieces to me. I did work with them before and I have to say, hands down, they are really amazing. I think that these are pieces that you absolutely need. They are great quality, they wash well, and they are very flattering too. They cinch you in, but at the same time it's comfortable, and they have really nice support. I did also get a bra that I wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna start off with one of my favorite pieces, and it is this one right here. So this is like a dress. It kind of looks like a tennis style dress, and I really love this one. I got this in a size medium, and the reason why I really love these is that it does come with built-in shorts to worry about anything showing through, especially if there's like a little wind and your skirt goes up. You don't have to worry, nobody's gonna see. I really love this. In the back, the details absolutely stunning. So this is how it looks. You open it up like this, and to close it in, you just put it like that. I really like the fact that it does have adjustable straps right here, so you can adjust it to your height, and I appreciate that because I'm 5'1", and a lot of times straps like this, if it's not adjustable, it ends up being way too long. In the back right here, I really love this design. Do you see that? It kind of has like this little knot right here. It's so pretty, and then in the back it's a little bit open for just like that nice breeze, especially if you're going to go to the beach. I am wanting to wear this to the beach because I don't always wear bathing suits, especially if I'm not going to swim, but I love going to the beach to take a walk down the pier, take a walk in the sand, feel the water on my feet. That's kind of like my vibe. Have like a drink or have dinner, and that's me. Like, I love it. I could just sit down there, give me a chair, I'll sit down on the beach for like the whole day. But I mean, I do have a toddler, so that is unrealistic, but that is like my fantasy if I could. I actually want to get this in more colors. It's such great quality. It does have padding. Now if you don't want the padding, you can remove it. It has actually been really popular. This design, like dress, has been very popular everywhere, especially on TikTok, and I really like it because it has like nice movement, so it just feels like it dances with you. It's just really playful at the same time, but it cinches you in right here, and you don't need to wear a bra with this. I am very heavy on top and I don't wear a bra with this. It's a one-piece outfit. Like, all you need is this. Put some sandals on, or maybe some sneakers, and maybe like a crossbody bag, or even a tote, and you're ready to go. This hands down is one of my favorites. One of my other favorites that I was so glad to pick up, when I seen it, guys, you have no idea how fast I got this one. It is a jumpsuit, and I know these have been trending and popular everywhere. It is for a good reason. I absolutely love this. This has the flare leg. Now they do also have the one that is like a skinny leg. I picked the flare leg because I just like the movement, especially if I'm gonna go to the beach. I say the beach a lot, guys, because to be honest with you, I'm like a beach lover. If I could, I would live literally on the beach. This is perfect if you're gonna go to the beach or to the park. You can actually wear this many places. You can dress it up, dress it down. That's the reason why I love this, and that's the reason why I say it's very versatile. This has the adjustable straps. Again, thank you for that. It has the padding. It's a really nice, great, sturdy quality. You can wash this so many times and it does not look like you washed it. It looks brand new. Got this in a medium as well. It does have like the side pockets here on each side, and guys, this is so darn flattering. It is so pretty. It looks so nice on. It's comfortable. So if you're into like that more fitted look, I love this one because it is fitted, but at the same time it's comfortable and it snatches you in, so you don't have to feel like insecure, especially if you have cellulite or whatever. This literally conceals everything. You will feel beautiful, and I really think this is perfect, especially since I'm wanting to also get this to go to the beach. I'm thinking of throwing like a little duster cardigan over, especially when it gets more chillier towards the nighttime. So I'm planning on wearing it like so. And like I said, it is a flare leg, so it is more like going out towards the bottom. But of course, if you guys want the skinny leg, I will also link that underneath this one in case you guys are not into that. I personally am. I know this is still on trend right now. Everybody's still loving it, and I've seen so many girls on Instagram and TikTok wear this. Really love pieces like this. These are probably one of my favorite pieces when I know you can wear them multiple ways and you can dress them up or dress them down. So that is perfect, especially for traveling, right? I got these sweatpants right here. I've been wanting some more sweatpants, and I love sweatpants, but I'm very picky with them. Like, they have to be super nice and really great quality, very soft, and that makes a big difference when it comes to sweatpants, because some of them you can tell if they're cheap. They're cheap. One thing I have to say is that their quality is really nice, has more of a thicker material, so you know it's really great quality. It does have pockets on each side. The waist is adjustable, and it does have the drawstring so you can tie it in. I love this, like the look in the back. You see that they made this like little extra design, just little touches here and there that just makes this a little bit more elevated. And towards the back right here next to the knee area, it also has this line going only in the back. It doesn't have it in the front. It is a jogger style, so of course it is cinched in at the ankles. It is so flattering. I want these in all the colors. I'm not even kidding you guys. I love this. I love this because this is like one of those items that you can just throw over. My daughter personally loves sweatpants. She actually wears these to the gym, so most likely she's gonna take these from me. But this is perfect if you're gonna wear to the gym, take a nice walk your dog. On to my new favorite leggings. Are these right here. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love working out. I fell in love with working out about 2 years ago or so, a little bit more than 2 years ago. So I've been working out for a year and a half, and I took like a 6-month break. Guys, I'm telling you, sometimes, like, not to get too personal, but sometimes when you have like a lot of anxiety and stress and there's a lot of things going on, you tend to like neglect what is good for your body. I am back on my workout game. Absolutely love these brown leggings. I've been looking for like the perfect color brown legging. I think these are really nice to wear with like maybe like a nude style top or a nude bra. I work out at home. Every time I work out and I put on cute workout clothes, it motivates me to work out. Like, I look forward to it every time. I have like my little workout clothing in its little section. Every time I'm about to work out, I look forward to it because I know I'm gonna look cute working out. Please tell me I'm not the only one. I got this in a size medium. It is true to size. I do have these in a color black, and I had them for over a year. Worn them so many times, and they are the comfiest leggings ever. Really love like the stitching going all around. I feel like it gives it a nice look around the leggings. It just makes it look more expensive. It will snatch you up, but at the same time they're comfortable. Some leggings I got, they're really nice, but then after a second or third wash, I don't know what happens to them. It's like they completely come apart. This is such great quality. Like I said, I own the black one for over a year. I washed them so many times and they are still like new. Love it. You gotta try it, guys. If there's one thing I recommend you try, you have to try these. They're really good, and I love the fact that it comes in so many colors. Like, they have some really fun colors, and then they have like the more neutral colors. Also have bodysuits, which I am really excited about. I got this one right here. I got this in a large. If you're heavy on top, I would definitely recommend to size up on these, because if you don't, it's gonna be a little too fitted, and large is still pretty fitted on me. But again, I am heavy on top, so instead of a medium, I did size up to a large. It fits perfect. It gives you like that snatch look, but at the same time, it's comfortable. And the one thing I love about these, because I do have these in other colors, they are not see-through whatsoever. Even if you get the color white, you will not see anything through. And the reason why is that they are double lined, so you don't have to worry about that. I do have this in like 5 other colors, but they are long sleeve. So for the fall and winter time, I love to wear those. But for the summertime, I wanted to get the sleeveless one, and I got this. I do want to get these in more colors because I love them so much. They are one of the best. They're like seamless. That does kind of gives me a little bit of the, what is that called? Skims line vibes, but at an affordable price, and they're really great quality. I like the high neck. I just think it looks very flattering. I like when they do this where they kind of cut it in. Do you see that? It kind of cuts you in. Makes your shoulders and arms look flattering, and it looks like they're smaller. I don't know how that is, but it does, trust me. This is a thong style bodysuit, but it is very comfortable. I'm very picky with bodysuits, guys, because some bodysuits are just so darn tight. It gives you a wedgie. Most bodysuits, I cannot wear it as a bodysuit. They're just annoying. I just feel like with most bodysuits, they just make them so like short. Should make them a little bit longer, and that says a lot because I'm 5'1", so I'm very petite, and for me being very petite and at the same time it's still too short, it's not good. It does have the snap closure right here, so you can open it up like that. Last item that I wanted to show you guys is this bra right here. I love bras. I love supportive bras, but I'm very picky because some bras do not support nothing, and this one actually supports really nicely. I'm very heavy on top. I got this in a medium, and I do wish in a way I did get it in a large, but it still does fit. The only reason why I wanted to get in a large because I did want it to have like a little bit more coverage. So I do recommend if you're heavy on top, size up. In the back, it looks like this. It's really pretty. I love like the little crisscross detail that they added right here. It is like elastic, so it's really nice and comfortable. And then this is adjustable as well. It does have this to adjust it. You do have the adjustable straps. It does have padding like they all do. It does have like these breathable mesh in the on the inside. Hopefully you guys can see that, so that way it's nice and breathable. You're not like sweating like crazy. Love this design right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Do you see that design, how it looks? It is so nice, and I actually got this to style it with my brown pants. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this for working out, and it is so comfortable, very buttery soft, but at the same time it really supports them. That is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And if you like this type of content, make sure you also give it a thumbs up. It really does help my YouTube algorithm, and I truly appreciate if you guys can support my channel by doing so. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate all the love and support, and until next time, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.